Within the hour, the New York Appeals Court turns down former President Trump's bid to delay hush money criminal trial. It is just one of several cases that the former president is now facing. Rebecca Castor lays out what all is on the docket.
A bedrock principle of our constitutional order is that no person is above the law, including the president. Words written by special counsel Jack Smith to the Supreme Court Monday. He's prosecuting former President Donald Trump for alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election. But later this month, justices will hear arguments on whether that case should be thrown out over Trump's claims of presidential immunity.
If a president doesn't have immunity, he really doesn't have a presidency.
But before that Supreme Court hearing, another criminal trial against Trump is set to begin in New York on Monday. This one related to alleged hush money payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels during the 2016 campaign. Trump's attorneys asked to delay the trial, claiming their client wouldn't get an impartial jury in Manhattan. But a judge denied that request.
I worry that many, because of the high-profile nature of this case, are going to want to be on this jury.
Monday, the judge released the questionnaire he'll use to select jurors for the trial. It includes questions such as, have you ever attended one of Trump's rallies, and do you belong to groups such as the Proud Boys or Antifa? If convicted, Trump could face prison time.
The judge and Alvin Bragg want to rush this case to a conviction in advance of the election, and they're doing it by depriving Trump of all legitimate defenses.
Trump has pleaded not guilty to all charges against him and claims all of his legal issues are politically motivated. In Washington, Rebecca Castor, Fox 32 Chicago.